Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Xero for streamlined expense tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official Xero website. Click on the free trial button located prominently on the homepage. Fill in the required information to create your account. Ensure you use a valid email address for account verification. Once submitted, check your email for a confirmation message from Xero. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the Xero website. Now, log in with the credentials you just created. Upon logging in, you'll be guided through an initial setup process. Follow the prompts to enter your business details. Select the type of subscription that best fits your business needs. You will see options such as Starter, Standard, or Premium. Choose the package that aligns with your expense tracking goals. Once selected, proceed to set up your payment information. Enter your credit card or bank details as required. Review the subscription terms before finalizing your choice. After confirming your subscription, you will gain access to your Xero dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Look for the Expenses section in the main menu. Click on it to begin setting up your expense tracking. Follow the guided prompts to link your bank account. This will allow automatic import of your transactions. Consider using the Xero mobile app for on-the-go expense tracking. Upload receipts directly through the app for a streamlined process. Explore additional features such as expense claims and approvals. Utilize reports to analyze and manage your spending effectively. Remember to regularly update your expense entries for accuracy. Set reminders for due dates to avoid late fees on bills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.